We've got like everybody holding a bottle of fruit in the cupboard. It sometimes gets lost. Suddenly, I've had a still on our booth store, which is worrying because everything's made out of, things made before it's so needed, and they do not like to take it.